Fighting the curse negative word. Has anybody ever cursed you? Or has anyone said anything very negative about yourself? How has that affected you, impacted you?
Current set of series has been titled as Fighting Off the Curses. During our course of life, many people say some very negative things to us. I've heard of people saying, things like, this girl is a jinx, this boy is a jinx. When I see this girl or this boy, nothing goes right for me. Or this girl can never get married. The person, and many more such things, and the person who has said it, says it and walks away. But the person to whom it has been said hoards it in his heart. And this becomes a wound in the heart and keeps festering. And without realizing, this is carried over in the course of that person's lifetime, and it may affect him or her in very negative ways. And it might just happen that you start believing in that curse or that negative thought that has been conveyed to you so much that you actually make it come true. So how does one handle that? In the first place, I think every book and every motivational speaker would tell you, forgive the person. Honestly speaking, I don't believe in that. Because it's not, first and foremost, the person who needs to be forgiven or who has to be forgiven has not come and asked you for forgiveness, is not standing there with a begging bowl for forgiveness. So where are you forgiving? Who are you forgiving? All right? Forget about it. And forgive. It's very easy to say, I forgive you, but how much of it do you believe that you've forgiven? It may not really happen. So why get into that territory at all? What is very important is to cleanse yourself. What is very important is to remove that wound or heal that wound which is in your heart. And how does the one do that? I am saying this from experience. You need to talk to that wound. You need to auto-suggest to yourself and work it out with your wound so that the wound starts healing on its own. And believe me, it can happen. Believe me, it'll heal. This is the best remedy and the best way of doing it. With time, the wound heals. Element of detachment comes in towards the person who has said it to you, and as time moves on, you are out of that curse or that negative thought that you've carried with you just dissipates, just goes away from your life. So it's very important that you talk to yourself, you talk to that wound, and you heal the wound all by yourself. The person who has said it is unimportant. Let that person go. All curses are like boomerangs. Karma returns. Justice is done. So that they will be taken care of. We don't have to take care of them. We have to take care of ourselves. So please do keep in mind that anything negative that you carry in your heart has to be healed by yourself, and healing that is the priority. Nothing else is a priority. Forget everyone else. Forget everything else. Just talk to your wound, do auto-suggestion, and with time, this will all heal up and you'll start feeling better and better. If it doesn't heal, or if you don't allow it to heal, then it has major repercussions once again on our mindset. And it could lead to a lot of, dips in self-esteem, self-confidence, morale, zeal and zest in living, etc. So please do keep this in mind, that a wound needs to be healed, and definitely, as I say, the curse can be warded off. Let it boomerang back. But you heal yourself. Thank you.